Photosapien. A long time later, the Earth was running out of resources, and mankind began to look for new ways to survive. Cars no longer run, factories are closing, and kids have never seen a real forest. Scientists had a bold idea when they discovered that plants could convert the sun into energy through photosynthesis. But the experiment didn't go well. The first volunteers had damaged skins and the sun made them sore. Until one day, they improved the technology and created the perfect Photosapien. At first, Photosapien did not adapt to life here, and he felt very alone. But then he gradually integrated into society, and his favorite thing to do was lie in the grass and bask in the sun. He learned to feel the weather with his skin. The palms of his hands signal before it rains. Photosapiens don't need to eat, but especially like lemonade. It makes their light brighter. Their bodies can change color with the environment. The most amazing thing is that Photosapiens can understand the language of plants. The old banyan tree always loves to tell stories from 100 years ago. They build houses that breathe, the walls are living moss, and the roofs automatically regulate sunlight. When the power goes out in the city, Photosapiens join hands to form street lamps to light the way for those who return at night. Every spring, Photosapiens and plants organize a grand new life festival together. They can awaken dormant seeds. Now, more and more children are choosing to become Photosapiens. What does the future hold? Would you like to be friends with the Photosapiens? Remember, a little green light lives in the heart of every person who protects the earth. Thanks. Hello everyone, I would like to share a picture book I created today called Photosapien. I chose this theme because a friend talked about energy issue in an interview, which tricked me to think deeply about relationship between human beings and nature. We have been pursuing more environmentally friendly sources, but we have never been able to realize the ideal of perpetual motion. So I thought if we no longer rely on external resources for survival, but have the ability to photosynthesize like plants, will it fundamentally change the relationship between human beings and nature? In the process of creating Photosapien, I imagined a whole new kind of evolution. Human beings will no longer just be consumers, but creators of energy. If there were 6 billion more trees on the planet, that is photosynthesizing humans, we might be able to reduce carbon dioxide emissions and reshape the ecosystem. More importantly, such a change might alleviate human conflicts over resources, moving us from competition to symbiosis. I hope that this picture book will not only stimulate children's curiosity and inspire them to think about the relationship between human beings and nature, but also become a tool for teachers and parents to guide environmental education. It's not only a fantasy story, but also a future possibility, encouraging everyone to think about how else we can change ourselves and do something for the planet. Thank you all.